What is going on, K3? It's Mr. Travers. I am here to share with you something super exciting. Today, we are going to start coding. So I'm going to say, let me start this all over again. What's up, coders? Oh, you don't know what a coder is? Listen, a coder is a person that writes a computer program. You're going to learn today how to write your own computer program. All right. I am so excited for this. We are going to be using on your iPad an app called Scratch Junior. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to move my camera onto my iPad. And that way you will be able to follow along with me as we code for Scratch Junior. Yes. And let's go right here, and I need to hit reverse. All right, K3. This is my iPad. It's too close. All right. This is my iPad, and I want you to find Scratch Junior. It is this button right here. That is the Scratch Cat, okay? So first thing you're going to do is go to Scratch Junior. And then after Scratch Junior opens up, all right, I want you to hit the home button, okay? Here we go. This is your home page. I already have a bunch of projects that I've done. What I want you to do today is to press the plus button, and you are going to create your own project, okay? Now, there's a couple things that show up here. All right. We're going to be able to use Scratch Junior to tell stories and make games and share our ideas. It is so fun. So first thing I want to let's talk about, this is Scratch. He's our Scratch Cat. We can hold on him and we can move him all over this blank page. I'm going to move my Scratch Cat down here. And today our objective is can you move Scratch Cat around this paper? All right. Looking down here, we have some colored buttons. And then we have some, these look like arrow buttons, okay? The first thing you always need to do whenever you are coding for Scratch Junior is you're going to start with this yellow button. See how it changes when I touch the blue button? I have blue buttons show up. When I go here and I press this yellow one, now there are yellow buttons, okay? The first thing we always got to do is we're going to start with our green flag. Our green flag means, that's right, green means go. So after we start with our green flag, that's the command. That tells this Scratch, hey, buddy, we're going to do something, okay? Again, today we're working on just moving Scratch. So I think I'm going to move him. I'm going to have him walk, and I could start him over here, but I'm going to start him in the bottom left corner, okay? I'm going to have him walk all the way across the page. Let's see what happens. I move this arrow down, right? Put this arrow from up here, right? This arrow is going to the right. Move him here. Now watch what happens. I'm going to press the green flag right here, okay? Let's see what happens. Ah, he took a step. All right, let's put him back where he was. This back button sets him back. So after he goes one step, no, I can put him back. Now what happens if I do this? What do you predict will happen? Let's find out. Hit the green flag. Oh, he took two steps. Hold on, I'm going to get crazy with it. I'm going to set him back to his starting point. Remember, back. He goes back. What's going to happen this time? I think you're right. I think he's going to move to the right. But how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think he's going to make 5 steps to the right when I hit this green button. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you see, as he moves to the right, you can follow the code. The code goes on the bottom. Here we go again. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, what if I want to get them all the way across this board? Let's set them back. I think I'm gonna need a bunch more. Let's try that. Let's see what happens now. Did he make it all the way across? No, he didn't. Oh man. Okay. Let's set him back. Ugh. Oh, I'm running out of space here. Let's try this. And here's the thing about coding. You're not going to get it right the first time. You're always working and changing your ideas. In fact, when it doesn't work, that's great because now you can fix it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, let's start you back. So if I go 12 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He didn't make it all the way there. And I've run out of space. Hold on, something's not right here. I had to think of a better way to do this. So if I move the whole, let's get rid of these. Let's get rid of this too. I'm going to separate it. Separate. Well, there's a 1 down here. I wonder what happens if I click on that number. Oh, did you guys see that? When I clicked on that number 1 down at the bottom, it brought up this little number pad. Well, what if I type in the number 10? Let me send them back. What do you think is going to happen now? I have the number 10 under this command to go to the right. Let's try it and find out. Oh, that was cool. Oh, let me put them back and I want to change it. I want to go 20. Let me type in 20. 20. What do you think is going to happen? He went all the way across the board. I don't want him to go across the board, so I got to pick a number less than 20. I think, what's 20, 19, 18? I'm going to go 16, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. 16 is a 1 in the tens place and then a 6. Let's try that. Whoa. Okay, cool. But now, what if I wanted to make him move up? What key would I use to make him move up? I'm going to start him back here. And now I'm going to drag down, you're right, the up key. All right, here we go. I'm going to make him go all the way over and all the way up to this corner. I want him to end up in this corner. Oh, I made a mistake. He only moved up 1. Oh, I see what I need to do. I have a 1 down here under the up key. Let me start him again. And this time, I think I'm going to pick the number 10. I'm going to type in 10. We'll see if that gets him up here. Remember, I'm guessing and I'm checking. I want him to stop right there. That's my goal. Oh, that was awesome. What a good guess. Now, for your job, I want to see today, your assignment is to make Scratch move all the way over, not with your finger. Can you code Scratch that he goes all the way over to the right, all the way up, all the way back, and all the way down? All right. And remember, when you make a mistake, that's great. Okay? So you're going to use these 4 buttons, right, left, up, and down. All right? And I want to see if you can make Scratch run around this rectangle. When you're done, I want you to hit this house button up here. That is how you save. So watch. I have this, hit save, and now under project 1, when I click it, I can come back. All right? So I can always come back to when I'm done. Remember, green means go. Okay. And now I want them to move left. I'm going to add some code. I think I'm going to have them going left. There we go. And green means go. Cool. Yeah. Wait. What did I do? Why did? Oh, I didn't set him back. I got to set him back. And then I do green means go. There we go. That's much better. Oh, he didn't go all the way over here though, did I? So what do I need to change? All right. K3, great job. Your job is to make Scratch run all the way around and then play with it. You can play, when you're done with that, play with all these other buttons. See what all the other blue buttons do, all right? K3, awesome job, coders. I am so excited to do Scratch Junior with you, okay? So when we come back to class, I'm gonna give you time to work and share with your friends. So probably about 5 minutes of quiet work time. And then you'll be able to share and talk about how you solve this problem. How are you able to get Scratch to move all the way around our box? Love it, love it. Want some more of it, K3. I will see you in class. Have a great day.